What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be doing a house tour, Christmas edition. Christmas happens to be one of the favorite times of the year for me and my family. It's just all about getting together with the family, creating memories. I feel like I just spit right now. It's all about just getting together with the family, creating memories and cozying up and fireplace and the smell, the aroma of Christmas trees and you know, the whole shebang. I am just absolutely in love with it, and especially because it is Jesus' birthday. My favorite time of the year. So I will be doing a tour and it will be a voiceover. So it's just strictly gonna be showing you guys my house, different areas of my house and the tour. So I hope you guys enjoy. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on another video. All right, let's get into it. Merry Christmas, everybody. Have a holly jolly Christmas. I don't know what's wrong with me right now. Keep watching this video and let's get started. Awesome. All right, so this is my table. The decor here I got from Hobby Lobby. I was bummed that I wasn't able to get the table runner that I wanted to purchase before I did this video, but you know, time is ticking and I couldn't do it. So those are purchased from Hobby Lobby. Moving along, this is my window. What do you call this? My bay window? I keep forgetting, but this is where I have my throw pillows on here. Don't pay attention to the far right, that little Christmas tree thing. I actually got it from an estate sale and it broke, but I just can't seem to part with it. Here is my entryway table that I love. I got a lot of these from Hobby Lobby, from Marshall's. That garland I got from Hobby Lobby. My little church, I love it. So cute. This is when you first walk into my home, so I kind of just turned the camera to see that view with my dining table. All right, now we're on one of the favorite parts of my house that I recently put in my home is my coffee bar. I just love to decorate it. This is my second time. If you look back at my other video, my fall video, I did fall decor, so now it's my Christmas decor. I love the coffee mug. I'm going to move this little thing here, and it's going to say, this is my Christmas movies, what is it? Watching mug. I love it. So the story was I wanted to get more Ray Dunn coffee mugs. I ordered the Believe one from Amazon. And I ordered another one and it came broken and I just didn't have time or the even desire to want to have to reorder. So I just stuck with that one, and it's a good contrast because I have the red and the white together, and I put them together because we got some people who see it. They're like, fix it. Everything has to be centered and organized. And I'm the same way, trust me. This little ceramic Santa I've had for about 10 years. It had a plate that it came with and it broke, and I happen to have a red plate, and don't mind that paper clip in there. moving on to my kitchen. I purchased these from Target. I have a little ceramic mug there. I kind of went quickly in here. I didn't have too much. I got that from Marshall's. I kind of still into the llama. Now on to my living room. My beautiful tree. We always go with the white tree. We've been doing that for about 3 to 4 years, I believe. My living room. Yay. Noel, Noel. I've put some pictures of us that I've seen when I cleaned out my closet, actually some holiday ones. It's so cute just to display them throughout the years. There's some little decor. That's my firstborn. When he was little, he's now 16. Moving on to the other side there. Some artwork that my little guy made. So cute. And this photo I found in my closet when I was cleaning it recently. This was our first official family photo of 5. Wow, say that 5 times fast. Some poinsettias I got from Hobby Lobby almost 3 years ago. Whoa, what was I doing there? And a happy new year. And you know I'm about to say where I got that from. Hobby Lobby. Everything I purchase is probably from Hobby Lobby. Seriously, I'm obsessed with that place. It's like the one-stop shop that you can go and just find everything you need for every occasion. That paper rolled up is my little guy. He wrote a note to Santa in there. More old photos from the holidays. The nativity scene, one of my favorite things. My tree, Jesus warms my heart. We see that from one of my kids, and I can't remember. So if they do happen to watch my YouTube video, please come and tell me which one it was, because I don't remember. It was about 2 years ago that we switched out the color, because we used to do silver and royal blue, and we switched it to gold and red, which I love. My living area. I love sparkle. I love everything sparkle. My stairway with the wreath and some large ornaments. I actually want to get some more and put them on there next year. You seen Roxy? She was outside. I had to put her outside to do this video. Hi. Can I help you? Hi, you want to come in here too? Come on in. The price is right. Hello. Say hi.
Sit.
Okay, what do you want?
Give me the pillow.
What pillow?
Pillow.
Oh, the pill. Interruptions. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I'm having so much fun recording content. I just hope that you enjoy it too, and I hope that I make you laugh or smile or just enjoy this for entertainment, whatever the case may be. My channel is about it's going to be a variety of things, because like I said in the past videos, that I won't ever just put all my eggs in one basket. I enjoy to do a lot of things, so I won't just do one thing. I don't think that you should ever just feel like you have to just do one thing in your life when you are blessed with many talents and many ideas and creativities. I feel like you need to explore everything and just be free and do what you want. So that's what I'm doing with this channel. And I'm glad that I do have supporters who watch my video faithfully. Thank you. Right, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on another video. And you know there's a little bell next to the subscribe button that you can click on, so you'll be and I think that's it. Oh, that's it. Hope everyone has an amazing Christmas this year. And remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. God bless and take care. Bye.